Today I'm making cinnamon almond crumb muffins. First I'm going to make the crumb topping, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of melted butter. Next add 1 tablespoon of almond extract and a half a cup of sugar. Next add 1 cup of flour. Next add 1/3 cup of sliced almonds. Mix that up until everything is combined and then put this to the side for later. Next I'm going to make the muffin batter, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of the cinnamon streusel muffin mix and I'm going to add the streusel topping. Then, following the directions on the back of the box, I'm going to add eggs, oil, and water. Mix that up until it's combined. Next I have a muffin pan with liners in it. I'm going to add a scoop of the muffin batter in each muffin. Then add a scoop of the almond crumb topping on top of each muffin and bake this at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the muffins were done and cooled, I sprinkled some powdered sugar on top and added them to a tray, and here's an up-close look.